Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the gaming performance of Mobile Legends on the Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video, I will play Mobile Legends on all the graphics settings with the maximum frame rate supported. The Samsung Galaxy A07 supports Mobile Legends on the lowest graphics settings with high frame rate, and it supports Mobile Legends on medium graphics settings with high frame rate, and it also supports Mobile Legends on the highest graphics settings with high frame rate. Now first of all, I will play Mobile Legends on the lowest graphics settings with high frame rate.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed! I awoke from the abyss to extinguish the light.
The gaming performance of Mobile Legends on the lowest graphics settings with the highest frame rate is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game. Now let's increase the graphics to medium and the FPS to high.
An ally has slain the turtle!
The gaming performance of Mobile Legends on medium graphics settings with the highest frame rate is good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game. Now let's set the graphics settings to the highest settings and the FPS to high. And this time I will start screen recording while playing the game.
Anything! Only a destroy the turret! Anything! Launch attack! Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack. Your team. I did not fall. I was reborn. Our turret has been destroyed. Mega kill. Our turret is under attack.
The gaming performance of Mobile Legends on the highest graphics settings with high frame rate is good. I did not face any lag or any FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the smartphone is normal. And I was screen recording the whole time I was playing the game. And this is the gaming performance of Mobile Legends on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.